Today I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Python which we'll be using in the later videos. So first download it and then open it. Then make sure to click on python.exe to path. Next, install Python 3.13 for all users. Install, and then we just wait for the process to finish. This process may take a few minutes. Now that the installation has finished, we'll move forward to open the IDE and try writing some code. Now we'll just write a basic code like print let's code and here's the output. Now let's write a bit more complex program. We'll be giving x a value 9 and y value 8. Now we'll be adding both of them by writing z is equal to x plus y, and at last print z. So this code will print the output as 17. We'll now quickly save our program as hello, and let's run the program now by pressing F5. It's an error because there's a mistake in the code. I'll just change it. It should be X, and then we run the code, and here's the output 17. Like and subscribe for further tutorials on Python, C++, or HTML.